This is a new BMW and this is a old one.
I'm gonna come. Oh.
Do you see the difference I'm pointing at? The biggest bullshit that you can say right now is that the new cars are better than the old ones. Manufacturers tell you that you need a massive touchscreen and an autopilot, but the reality is that they are selling you an overpriced smartphone on wheels that is built to break the moment your warranty ends.
Do me a favor, please. Get out of here. Get out of here, man. Shit, I'm saying.
So why are older cars objectively better, more reliable, and why they will save you thousands of dollars every single month?
Here comes the money. Money, money,
Dollar, dollar. Dollar, dollar. Ching, ching, bling, bling. Cut the chatter. You ain't talking money.
Stay tuned until the very end, because the final reason is the exact reason you secretly hate modern cars. Think about what happens the second you step inside a modern vehicle. It instantly starts screaming at you. Beep, beep, this, that, lane assist pulls your steering wheel, fatigue sensors tell you to go drink a coffee, and the car brakes by itself just because it saw a shadow.
It's the biggest piece of dog shit.
Old cars don't have those annoying hypersensitive sensors. It is just you, the road, and pure freedom, man. And when those high-tech sensors fail, you are cooked. You are forced to go to a dealership where a mechanic plugs in a laptop like to a freaking server and charges you $500.
You should be able to just stick a bar in here and make it loose.
Just to clear a single error code. Are you actually kidding me? $500 for a software glitch? Am I just being stupid, or does it annoy you as well? Compare that to an old school ride.
So you wanna be a player, but your wheels ain't flying. You gotta hit us up to get a pimped out ride.
Where all you need is a basic toolset, a hammer, and a tutorial on YouTube. You can fix it right on your driveway in a single afternoon without getting completely ripped off. But the nightmare of modern technology doesn't stop at the repair bills. It gets even worse. Car companies are now putting everyday features behind a subscription paywall. Want heated seats in the winter? Must pay, my brother. They want a monthly subscription. Want better engine performance? Pay a monthly fee. It makes me so incredibly mad. I want to throw my wrench through the windshield. Imagine if someone locked the radio in an older vehicle until you send money to a bank account. And those things are doing the big companies. BMW, Volkswagen, Mercedes, Tesla, Toyota, Lexus, Ford. Yeah, but look, it is important to be completely honest for a second. If we are talking about crumple zones, airbags and automatic emergency braking, yeah, modern cars can have much better safety features that will actually save your life in a brutal crash. In an old car, the structural design often means that people absorb more of the impact than the actual car. But let's be real, you pay $50, $60 or even $70,000 for a car that breaks after a year. Not all the cars break after a year, okay? Modern engines are tiny, small, turbocharged 3 cylinders squeezed to the absolute maximum just to meet emissions laws. And in some cases, it doesn't even have an engine cover. Like, what do you mean it doesn't have an engine cover? They don't sell you a PC without the case. Or are they? After 100,000 miles, they are often ready for the scrapyard. On the other side, old school 4 cylinders or straight 6s are built to last 500,000 miles without a rebuild. For those old school engines, this is just a regular Tuesday. All of this mechanical reliability leads to a major financial advantage. When you buy a brand new car, the second you drive it from the dealership to your home, it loses 20% of its value, and in 5 years it is worth half. But when you invest in legendary old car in good condition, like 10 years ago the BMW M3 E30, the price does not drop.
You serious?
In fact, it often goes up every single day. You are driving a vehicle that holds its value, not a new piece of junk. But don't get me wrong, there are old and new cars that are piece of junk and belong on the scrapyard. But I feel like a huge amount, especially of the modern cars, are bad straight from the factory, like the Ferrari loose. What the fuck is this?
Holy Jesus. What is that? What the fuck is that?
Can someone please explain this in the comments? So, would you trade a old car for a new one? Be honest and tell me in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel, so I can buy a Porsche GT3 RS. This was Making History, and I will see you in the next one.